In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track project progress in Goodday. We'll walk through a simple way to set up and access a view that helps you understand how your work is moving forward. Even though the steps are short, I'll explain the context behind each action so you know not just where to click, but why you're doing it. Start by opening your Goodday workspace and going to the project where you want to track progress. At the top of the project interface, look for a small plus sign, usually located above your main list or board of tasks. This plus sign is how you add new tools and perspectives to your project, not just new tasks. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you click it, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you want to look for the option labeled Progress and Reports. This section is designed specifically for monitoring how your project is doing over time, giving you more analytical views instead of just a basic task list. Click on Progress and Reports to open up the available reporting tools. Inside the Progress and Reports area, you'll see different ways to analyze your work. For tracking what's actively happening in your project, you'll want to use something called the activity system. This view helps you see ongoing activity, such as updates, changes, and movement of tasks, which is essential for understanding real project progress rather than just static status fields. Go ahead and click on Activity System. Once you're in the Activity System section, you have the ability to create a customized view. This lets you tailor what you see, such as which tasks, time period, or team members you want to focus on. To do this, look for the option that says Add View. It's usually displayed as a button somewhere near the top or side of the screen. Click on Add View. After clicking Add View, Goodday will guide you through setting up your view. Here you can choose filters, columns, and layout depending on what progress information matters most to you, like recent updates, task completion trends, or team activity. Taking a moment to fine-tune these settings will make it much easier to check in on your project quickly in the future. Once your view is saved, you can